the Arizona Cardinals, and they gave their GM Steve Keim an extension through 2022. He was promoted to the position in 2013, and since then, the Cardinals have been one of the most consistent teams in football. 49 wins, 30 losses, and a tie under Keim. That's the fifth best in the league since he took over in 2013. How would you grade the job that Keim has done in Arizona?
Let's keep this graphic up. I don't have to say a lot here, viewers. You tell me what grade you would give Mr. Keim.
It's a pretty good company.
Pretty good company. And the issue that I have with Keim being fifth, the four execs in front of him, they have a chip.
Right.
They have been to the promised land. They have won championships. Now, that's next. And you also, too, when you look at what Keim has been able to do there in Arizona compared to the other teams, his talent clearly has not been as close, as on the same level as John Elway and the Denver Broncos or Pittsburgh Steelers. So he's been able to do a lot with a little. So this would be his biggest finesse move here.
Yeah, biggest challenge.
Because they have no quarterback. They have no quarterback.
Have to get one.
But based on him getting rewarded for what he's been able to do as of late, I have no issue with this contract extension. Not to mention, they have a new head coach who also has, what, a 4 or 5 year deal.
Steve Wilks.
Steve Wilks are both head coach and GM.
For sure.
Even though this is a new relationship, they will be tied to the hip.
Absolutely. Keim been with the organization since '99, has really climbed the ladder there with Arizona.